Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy Chit Chat with Ratan. Today I'm going to share with you all very quick and easy 3-step facial which is really helpful for your skin brightening and skin tightening. I'm using cucumber in this facial 3-step process because cucumber is having vitamin C which helps you to improve skin collagen. Also, astringent properties in cucumber helps you to make your skin lighten up and also helps to improve your skin's elasticity. So I hope that you will like this video, and if you like this video, please to support me, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Healthy Chit Chat with Ratan. Hello everyone, so now we are going to do the first step, which is cleansing. I am going to show you how to cleanse our skin, which is the first step during any facial. I have taken 1 tablespoon of raw milk and 1 tablespoon of extracted cucumber juice. So this is a mix of 1 tablespoon of raw milk and 1 tablespoon of cucumber juice. So now I am going to take a cotton ball, dip into this juice and cleanse my face with it. So and now I am cleansing my face with this. This is the way you need to clean your face with this cleansing milk, which is the cleansing milk and cucumber juice. If you want, you can do it on your neck area as well. So I am going to do this on my neck area too. So after applying this, I am going to leave this cleansing cucumber juice and milk mixture which I have applied all over my face. I have to leave it like for 3 to 4 minutes like that, and then we will wash it and clean it with the normal water. So let's leave it for 3 to 4 minutes and then I will wash it. So guys, now 3 to 4 minutes I have left that cucumber and milk juice, so it's now dried up. Now I am going to wash my skin with the normal tap water. So now you can see I have washed my face with the normal tap water. It's called Clean Now. So cleansing, the first step of our facial is done. Now we are going to do the second step. The second step is scrubbing. We will add 1 tablespoon of cucumber juice with 1 tablespoon of sugar. Most of the people can easily do the sugar scrub on their face, but if your skin is sensitive, then you just do a patch test on your hand by scrubbing that scrub. Take out all your dirt from your skin and any blackheads or whiteheads from your skin. But if your skin is sensitive or the skin which is acne prone or oily, just take a bit precaution. Don't rub it too harsh. If you rub it too harsh, then it can make breakage on your skin. So make sure you do 1 to 2 minutes so gentle scrub by moving your hands like that. So now coming to our second step, which is scrubbing. You can see that I have to rub my face gently with the white sugar and It's 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 2 tablespoon of cucumber. I'm using my fingertips and hand movement very slowly. You can do this for 1 to 2 minutes, but make sure don't do it roughly or harshly on your face. Do a slight movement on your face with your soft movement of your hand, so that all the impurities and dirt in our skin or any blackhead or whitehead can come out easily from our skin. You can do a patch test before applying this scrub if your skin is sensitive. Especially focus on your nose area. Don't do it very harsh. So 1 minute is done. So I'm not doing it more than 1 minute because my skin is also bit acne prone, bit sensitive. So I'm just doing it only for 1 minute, not for 2 minutes. So you can do it as per your skin, either for 1 minute or 1 to 2 minutes. So I'm doing it for 1 minute and it's almost done. 1 minute is done. So now I'm going to wash my face with the normal water. If you like, you can do it here too, in your chin area, but do it for a few seconds only. Now I'm going to wash my skin with the normal water. So you can see that my skin look more clearer, more brighter now after this second step of scrubbing. So scrubbing part is done. You can see my skin. When I started to show you this facial, you can see that I haven't applied any makeup when I started showing you the first step of cleansing, and then now second is done, which is our scrubbing part. You can see my skin after scrubbing, how does it looks like. So now I'm going to do the last step, which is the third step, and that third step is facial face mask. And if you're getting bored meanwhile, your facial mask when we put on soon, and if you're feeling bored, then you can take your selfies, picture, make your faces, listen to the music, whatever you like to do. So don't feel like someone else is there, it's still me. So the third step now, I have taken 1 tablespoon of gram flour, and I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cucumber juice. So 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoons. I'm going to give it a mix and see do I need to add more. But I think we still need 1 more tablespoon, so total 3 tablespoons of cucumber juice. If you like, you can add honey or organic coconut oil into it as well, but I'm not going to add that thing because I just want to make this facial quite simple and easy for all of you to do it quickly, easily at your home. Mixing it well to make a smooth paste. Mix it well, mix it well, mix it well, mix it well, mix it well. So we just need a smooth consistency. So starting from my forehead, we have to apply this mask for approximately 15 minutes. After 15 minutes of application of this mask, you can wash your face with the normal tap water. leave your eye area. We don't need to do it in our eye area. So just on your face. It looks so refreshing, and cucumber has is very good for your skin elasticity as well as tightening of your skin and brightening your skin. It helps you to boost your collagen of your skin as well, and it is very good for like if you got any skin burn or tanning on your skin. Once we applied it completely on our face skin. Natural facial at home. Very easy to do this 3-step facial. I hope you will like it. So see, this face pack I have applied it all over on my face, and I will wash my face after 15 minutes of wait. Once it's dry, just wash it slowly and slowly with fresh normal tap water. Face is quite dry and I can't even talk, so I'm just going to put a little bit water in it to make it a little soft, this part, because it's getting hard now. So after that I'm going to wash my face. Video and then put some water into the tube. Little you can give the hand like that, so that you can take off all this dry face mask easily from the skin. Make it wet first. Guys, you can see that how my skin looks like. My skin looks really nice after this 3-step easy facial. Please do try it at home if you like this facial. If your skin is sensitive, just do a patch. After 3rd step, once your facial is done and you have cleaned your skin after your facial, then this is also very important step which you need to do. Last and most important step, which you can say is a 4th step, though the facial is a 3-step process, but this 4th step is aftercare process of our skin. After your facial, you need to make sure that you make your skin hydrated. How you do that? You have to put a moisturizing cream to keep so that your skin remain hydrated, and for the best result you need to do this facial for once in a week, every week on regular basis if you like it and if it suits your skin. Now I have rubbed my moisturizing cream on my hand and palm. Now I'm applying it all over my. Now you can see my skin and the difference after once we did this facial on my skin. I hope guys you like this video. To support me, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't watched my recent previous video of delicious healthy dessert foxnut recipe, please do watch it. That's one of my favorite dessert. My own twisted recipe is so delicious, healthy and tasty. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe to watch more videos on health tips, beauty tips and weight loss tips. I will keep sharing my healthy tips on this YouTube channel.